How to find follow requests in TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to find follow requests in TikTok. Without further ado, let's get started. Launch TikTok app on your device and make sure that you log into your account. Then you will reach on this For You page of TikTok, where you need to tap on the inbox icon at bottom right corner, which is the side profile icon. And if someone sends you follow request, you can easily find it out on this inbox section at top when you tap on new followers option. At the top, you can easily see that someone has sent us a follow request. If you want to accept it, you can navigate to their profile and then accept or delete tapping on delete or accept icon at bottom of your screen. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.